What's up, China? Good morning to the camera, you know what I'm saying? This the life of the hustler rapper, you know what I'm saying? This is my computer, I'm producing all the music. That's it. I'm about to go in here, get some cereal. No, don't look at that. Don't look at that. This is what you do, bro. You know what I'm saying? When you broke, bro, this is what you have, man. I asked my brother to give me some Captain Crunch. Look at this. You see this? It don't even have no Captain Crunches in there. It just has these little things. It's called Kids Crunch. I'm a little kid, that's what they're saying. But it's cool. It's cool. You know what I'm saying? But you know, we gotta look at this, bro. We got a great view though. You can't say we don't got look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's what's up. Got a great look outside. You know what I'm saying? See the house. This is just an apartment, man. Wait till we get a house, you know what I'm saying? But I'm out, bro.